Reporting live from the Uncanny Valley. Complete chaos has broken out in the suburbs as local models refuses to AI match their mouths to their audio. Witnesser jaws and severe audiovisual desync, coupled with gibberish sentences. We are begging creators to fix her before things get any weirder.
Well, believe it or not, Kling AI is an amazing tool. You can use it to create almost anything. Ultra-realistic demos for your product, funny advertisements, an exciting action sequence.
Wait, what's happening?
Or even a personalized cartoon for your children. But there is one issue you'll keep running into if you want your characters to speak, and that is morphed and completely out of sync audio.
You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even secure?
Sometimes even complete gibberish. This is called audio-visual desync in the industry, though most people just call it the Uncanny Valley. It completely ruins the illusion of your video. Fortunately, there is a built-in tool inside Kling that you can use to fix this. It's their powerful lip sync feature. Now, using the tool is actually incredibly simple, but before we even click the lip sync button, we need to talk about your source video. The AI is smart, but it's not magic. If you give it bad footage, you'll get bad lip sync. Here is the golden rule. Your character needs to be clearly visible at all times. When you are prompting your initial video in Kling, make sure you use terms like close-up shot, medium shot, or looking directly at the camera. Avoid generating videos where the character is eating, holding something in front of their face, or turning completely to the side in profile. The AI needs to see the lips clearly to map the new movements to them. All right, you have a great video with a clear face. Here is how we make them talk. Step 1, head over to the lip sync tab in your Kling dashboard. Step 2, upload the video you just generated. Step 3, now we need audio. You have two choices here. You can either upload a pre-recorded audio file, like a voiceover you recorded on your phone, or an AI voiceover from a tool like 11 Labs. Or you can use Kling's built-in text-to-speech if you just want to type your script right there. In my opinion, these voices sound a bit robotic, even when you play around with the emotional settings, but they are usable.
You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even secure?
You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even secure? You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even? You sent a deepfake to the CEO?
You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even secure?
I'll use the local dubbing option. You also have the option to keep the original sound of your video. This is useful if you don't want to use an editing software, but you want to keep music, sound effects, or anything else in the original video, and your character is not talking in that video. Step 4. Once you have set everything up, just click Add Speech, then hit Generate, and your perfectly lip-synced video will be ready in minutes.
You sent a deepfake to the CEO? Is that even secure?
Okay, but where do you get your good quality audio from to make the lip sync happen in the first place? Well, you actually have 3 options, depending on what kind of mess the AI gave you. Option 1, the original audio. If your generated video actually has a great sounding voice, but the lips are just completely disconnected from the words, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just use the original audio from the video clip, run it through the lip sync tool, and let Kling remap the mouth to match the words perfectly. Option 2, the pro route. If your video's audio is complete gibberish, like our friend from the Uncanny Valley earlier, you need a fresh voiceover.
Hey!
This is where you use a dedicated
Really?
AI voice generator like 11 Labs. You type your script, generate a highly realistic voice with actual human emotion, and upload that pristine audio file into Kling. You can find an 11 Labs 11v3 cheat sheet on our website so you can get those cinematic professional results. Option 3, the last resort. As we saw earlier, Kling does have a built-in text-to-speech generator right there in the menu. And it's convenient, but honestly, it needs an upgrade. It sounds pretty robotic, flat, and the natural emotion is just off. It will work in a pinch for a quick meme or a background character, but if you want your audience to actually connect with your video, stick to option 1 or 2. And there you have it. You've gone from a silent, slightly creepy AI video to a fully voiced, highly engaging character in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so we know to make more Kling tutorials. Find more audited AI tools at Testified.ai. Subscribe for more AI workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.